Dear children, in this video I am going to explain exercise 1.5 question number 4. See the question. Represent root 9.3 on the number line. We are going to represent root 9.3 on the number line. For representing that, first we have to draw the number line. We will draw a number line. After that we have to mark. Draw a number line and give arrow mark both sides and mark a point here as 0. Right hand side it is positive numbers, left hand side it will come negative numbers. We want to represent root 9.3 on this number line. So 9.3 centimeter, from here we will measure exact 9.3 centimeter and we will mark a point here. This one 9.3. From here exact 9.3 centimeter I have marked here, exact 9.3 centimeter, and it is left hand side of the origin, so you have to mark it here minus 9.3. This point is minus 9.3. Then mark this point as A. This one is point A. Now from here measure 1 centimeter. Exact 1 centimeter you have to mark it. 1 centimeter. From here 1 centimeter and mark it this point as A. B. This point is B. Then this one is 1 unit. Okay, up to here it is 1. Mark it 1. This one is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. From here to here we have measured 9.3 centimeter. O to A 9.3 centimeter and O to 1 it is 1 centimeter. So total how much it is there? Total it is there 9.3 plus 1, that is 9.3 plus 1 is equal to 9.3 plus 1, 1.0, that is 9 plus 1, 10.3. Total it is there 10.3. AB is equal to, we have to write here, AB is equal to, right side we will write AB is equal to AO plus OB, that is equal to 9.3 plus 1, that is equal to 10.3. Now divide it, this 10.3 by 2, 10.3 divided by 2 to find out the midpoint. 5 2s are 10, remainder is not there, then this decimal point we have to put in the answer 3, then 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, again we can put 0, 2 5s are 10, that is 5.15. 5.15. We will draw the perpendicular bisector of that line, perpendicular bisector of AB. How can we draw perpendicular bisector? Take A as center and radius take more than half of the line and draw an arc here, more than half of the line, and draw an arc here, then downside also. Then with the center B we have to cut it, that upside and downside. Then after that join it, we will get the perpendicular bisector of AB. This one we will join. That is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector. We got the center of that AB. Center of AB is equal to, but that point we can mark it as C. Now find out this AC. AC is equal to how much it will come? AC is equal to AB divided by 2, that is equal to 10.3 divided by 2. Now we have divided that, that is 5.15. So AC is equal to 5.14. Here you have to mark it 5.15. CO is equal to how much it will come? This length is 1. Okay, this length is 1 unit, 1 centimeter we have marked, 1 centimeter. Then CO is equal to how much it will come? 5.15 minus 1 will come. C to B is equal to 5.15. A to C 5.15 and C to B also 5.15. 5.15 minus 1 is equal to, it will come 4.15. 4.15. Now this C as center and CA as radius, we have to draw a C as center and CA as radius, we have to draw a semicircle. We will draw a semicircle. Exact it will pass through the point B, because this one is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Now we have to draw a perpendicular through the point O. Perpendicular through the point O, that is O as center. We will make 90 degree here, then we can draw a perpendicular, that is draw an arc here, then with the center this point, cut it Don't change the radius. Then again center with this point, draw an arc there, up to upside. Then with the center this point, cut it. Then join that one, that is the perpendicular bisector. Sorry, perpendicular through the point O. That we will draw up to the semicircle only. Up to semicircle we will draw. Then mark that point as D. This point is D. Now join this CD. Join CD. CD we will join. Now what is the length of CD? Length of CD. CA is equal to 5.15. So CD also it is 5.15. So this line is CD. Length of CD is 5.15. 5.15. Now you see here we made 90 degree. This one is 90 degree. So this COD is a right angled triangle. COD is a right angled triangle. From that right angled triangle, we can find out OD. OD we can find out from there. How can we find out that? So we have to write it here. In a right triangle COD. In right triangle COD by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Just opposite also we can write, that is perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Perpendicular it is OD, base CO, and hypotenuse it is CD. Perpendicular it is OD, so OD square plus base it is CO. CO square is equal to hypotenuse it is CD square. So here CO length is there, CO is equal to 4.15 and CD length is there, that is 5.15. We want to find out this OD. We want to find out OD. So plus CO square we will transpose into right side. OD square is equal to CD square plus CO square transposing to right side minus CO square. Now substitute value there. CD is equal to 5.15 square minus CO is equal to 4.15 square. That is equal to, now find out it. OD square is equal to, now 5.15 square means 515 into 515 we will multiply, and 4 decimal points we have to substitute there. That is 515 into 515, 515 into 515, 5 5s are 25, 5, remainder 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7, 5 5s are 25, 1 5 5, 1 1 1, 1 5 5, 5 5s are 25, 5, remainder 2, 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7, 5 5s are 25, then 5, 7 plus 5, total 2, remainder 1, 5 plus 5, 7 plus 5, total 2, remainder 1, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, total 2, remainder 1, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 2, 14 plus 1, 15, 5, remainder 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 2. 4 decimal points means it will come 26.5225 minus 4.15 square. 4.15 is multiplied 2 times. So 4.15 into 4.15. 415 into 415 we can multiply. 5 5s are 25, 5 remainder 2. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. 5 4s are 20. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. 1 4s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 0 remainder 2. 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6. 4 4s are 16. 5. 5 plus 7. Total 2, remainder 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 2, total 2, remainder 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 1. That is 17.2225 it will come, 2225. 17.2225, because 4 decimal points it will come, then it will come 17.2225. Now subtract it. 26.5225 minus 17.2225. Subtract it. 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 2 3, 16 minus 7, that is 9, then 1 minus 1 0, 9.300. After the decimal point, last 0 zeros we will not take. So what is answer? OD square is equal to 9.3 is the answer. OD is equal to square transposing to next side, it will become square root of 9.3. So this length of OD is equal to, what is answer? Root 9.3. length of OD is root 9.3. Now this root 9.3, that is O to D, that is root 9.3. O as center and OD as radius, draw an arc. It should be a dotted line. Where it will touch in the number line, that is the point root 9.3. So mark it there, root 9.3, root 9.3. So that is the answer. So question number 5 also same only. Question number 5, square root 4.3, 5.6, 7.2, etc. Square root of 7.2 also you have to represent it on a number line. So that also we will do this the same way. So question number 5 you do it by yourself. Now let's see question number 6. Rationalize the denominators of the following. Rationalize the denominators of the following. Question number 1, 1 by root 7. Denominator it is an irrational number. So that we have to make it as a rational number. Root 7 it is an irrational number. We have to make it as a rational number. That is denominator rational number, making this irrational denominator into a rational denominator. That process is called rationalize the denominator. In this case 1 by root 7, we will multiply numerator and denominator by root 7. Root 7 in the numerator and denominator. Then 1 into root 7 divided by root 7 into root 7. What is the answer? 7. Root 7 into root 7. Root 7 into 7, that is root 49. Square root of 49 it will come 7. So root 7 into root 7 is 7. So that is the answer. So now this irrational denominator become a rational denominator. So this way we can make it as a irrational denominator. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 3, 4 and 5. Sorry, 2, 3 and 4. It is same only. Question number 2, 3 and 4. Question number 2. 1 divided by root 7 minus root 6 is equal to 1 divided by root 7 minus root 6 into, we will multiply root 7 plus root 6. Root 7 plus root 6. Denominator we will see, according to the denominator you have to multiply. Here we multiplied only root 7 because only root 7 was there. So that is why numerator and denominator we have multiplied root 7. Here denominator is root 7 minus root 6. So here minus, that is why I have multiplied both numerator and denominator by plus root 6. Root 7 plus root 6. If it is plus, then you have to multiply minus. In this question, root 5 plus root 2. Root 5 plus root 2 into, you have to multiply root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. In this question we will multiply root 7 plus root 2 divided by root 7 plus 2. Root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 plus 2. According to this side. So here it is minus, that is why I have multiplied plus. Now multiply it. 1 into root 7 plus root 6, it is root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6. It is of the form a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. What is answer? A square minus b square. Root 7 square minus root 6 square. That is equal to root 7 plus root 6 divided by square we can cancel 7 minus square cancel, it will come 6. That is equal to root 7 plus root 6 divided by 7 minus 6, that is 1. Root 7 plus root 6 divided by 1. What is answer? Root 7 plus root 6. That is the answer. Now the denominator become a rational number. So question number 2 and 3 and 4, that you do it by yourself. Now let's see question number 7. Divide 3 plus root 7 by 3 minus root 7. Divide 3 plus root 7 by 3 minus root 7 is equal to, write the question once more, 3 plus root 7 by 3 minus root 7 into, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 3 plus root 7. 3 plus root 7. I told that it is according to the denominator. Denominator is minus, that is why I have multiplied numerator and denominator by plus 3 plus root 7. Now multiply it, that is equal to 3 plus root 7 into 3 plus root 7. That is 3 plus root 7 is multiplying 2 times 3 plus root 7 the whole square divided by, it is denominator always, rationalizing the denominator question, always the denominator it will come in the form a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b. Answer is same only, a square minus b square. Here it will come 3 square minus root 7 square. Now 3 plus root 7 square, we have to expand according to the formula, that is a plus b the whole square. Using a plus b the whole square formula, we have to expand it. A plus b the whole square, what is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then 3 plus root 7 square, it will come 3 square plus 2 into 3 into root 7 plus root 7 square, b square, that is root 7 square, divided by 3 square, 3 3s are 9, minus square root square cancel 7. That is equal to 3 square, 3 3s are 9, plus 2 3s are 6 root 7, 6 root 7, plus square root square cancel 7 divided by 9 minus 7, that is 2. Then that is equal to 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7, 16, plus 6 root 7 divided by 2. From here 1, 2 common factor we can take it outside. 2 into 2 8s are 16 plus 2 3s are 6. 3 root 7 divided by 2. 2 2 we can cancel. Then what is answer? 8 plus 3 root 7. That is the answer. Okay, now let's see question number 8. Simplify by rationalizing the denominator. 4 plus root 5 divided by 4 minus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5 divided by 4 plus root 5. 4 plus root 5 divided by 4 minus root 5 into, here for rationalizing this denominator, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 4 plus root 5, because the denominator is 4 minus root 5. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 4 plus root 5. After that, sign is there, plus. Now second rational number we will take, that is 4 minus root 5 divided by 4 plus root 5 into, we have to multiply here 4 minus root 5 divided by 4 minus root 5, because the denominator is plus. Denominator is 4 plus root 5, so we have to multiply numerator and denominator by 4 minus root 5. That is equal to, now multiplies 4 plus root 5 into 4 plus root 5, that is 4 plus root 5 is multiplied 2 times 4 plus root 5 the whole square divided by, denominator always it is in the form a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, that is 4 square minus root 5 square it will come, 4 square minus root 5 square, plus 4 minus root 5 into 4 minus root 5. 4 minus root 5 is multiplying 2 times 4 minus root 5 the whole square divided by, denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square, that is 4 square minus root 5 square, that is equal to 4 plus root 5 the whole square. It is of the form a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to, what is the formula? A square plus 2ab, 2 into 4 into root 5 plus b square, that is root 5 square divided by 4 square, 4 4s are 16 minus root 5 square, square root square cancel 5, a plus 4 minus root 5 the whole square. It is of the form a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square, what is the expression? A square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 4 square minus 2 into 4 into root 5 plus root 5 square divided by 4 square, 4 4s are 16 minus square root square cancel 5. Then that is equal to 4 square, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 4s are 8 root 5, 8 root 5 plus square root square cancel 5 divided by 16 minus 5, 11 plus 4 square, 4 4s are 16 minus 2 4s are 8 into root 5, 8 root 5 plus square root square cancel 5 divided by 16 minus 5, that is 11. That is equal to 16 plus 5, that is 21 plus 8 root 5 divided by 11 plus 16 plus 5, 21 minus 8 root 5 divided by 11. Now adding two rational numbers and the denominators are same, so we can write the same denominator under adding the numerators, that is same denominator means 11 it will come. Adding the numerators, 21 plus 8 root 5, 21 plus 8 root 5 plus 21 minus 8 root 5, 21 minus 8 root 5, then that is equal to 8 root 5 minus 8 root 5 becomes 0. 21 plus 21, that is 42 divided by 11. 42 divided by 11, that is the answer. Now next question, question number 9. Express 21 divided by 3 root 5 plus root 3 with a rational denominator. 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5 plus root 3 with a rational denominator. That means the same question only, rationalizing the denominator. So write the question once more. 21 divided by 3 root 5 plus root 3 is equal to 21 divided by 3 root 5 plus root 3 into we will multiply 3 root 5 minus root 3 divided by 3 root 5 minus root 3. Denominator it is 3 root 5 plus root 3. So we have multiplied 3 root 5 minus root 3 in the numerator and the denominator. That is equal to numerator 21 into 2 times are there, so you have to put bracket 21 into 3 root 5 minus root 3 divided by denominator 3 root 5 plus root 3 into 3 root 5 minus root 3. Always rationalizing the denominator, it will come same only a plus b into a minus b form. The answer is a square minus b square. So here it will come a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, means it will come 3 root 5 square minus root 3 square. Now that is equal to numerator we will write as it is 21 into 3 root 5 minus root 3 divided by 3 square, 3 3s are 9 into root 5 square, square we can cancel 5 minus root 3 square cancel 3. That is equal to 21 into 3 root 5 minus root 3 divided by 9 5s are 45 minus 3. That is equal to 21 into 3 root 5 minus root 3 divided by 45 minus 3, that is 42. 21 ones are 21, 21 twos are 42. So what is answer? 3 root 5 minus root 3 divided by 2. That is the answer. Now we have expressed it with a rational denominator. 2 is a rational number, so now denominator is a rational number. Now the last question, question number 10. Simplify 1 by root 6 plus root 5 minus root 11 by rationalizing the denominator. So write the question. 1 divided by root 6 plus root 5 minus root 11 is equal to 1 divided by root 6 plus root 5 minus root 11 into root 6 plus root 5. We will take it as one term plus root 11 we will multiply in the numerator and denominator. Root 6 plus root 5 plus root 11. That is equal to 1 into root 6 plus root 5 plus root 11, that we will write as it is root 6 plus root 5 plus root 11 divided by denominator. This one we will take it as one term, root 6 plus root 5. That means now it is of the form a minus b into a plus b. Root 6 plus root 5 we will take it as a. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. In place of a it is here root 6 plus root 5 square, a square minus, in place of b it is root 11, so it will come root 11 square. That is equal to root 6 plus root 5 plus root 11 divided by root 6 plus root 5 square. It is of the form a plus b the whole square. We have to expand it. A square plus 2ab, 2 into root 6 into root 5 plus b square, that is root 5 square minus root 11 square. Square root square cancel, it will become 11. That is equal to root 6 plus root 5 plus root 11 divided by root 6 square. Square root square cancel 6 plus 2 into root 6 into root 5. 2 root 6 5s are 30 plus square root square cancel 5 minus 11. That is equal to root 6 plus root 5 plus root 11 divided by 6 plus 5, 11 plus 2 root 30 minus 11. Plus 11 minus 11 we can cancel. 2 root 30 will be there in the denominator. So what is answer? Root 6 plus root 5 plus root 11 divided by 2 root 30. 2 root 30. So again denominator it is an irrational number. Root 30 is an irrational number. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by root 30. Root 30 we will multiply. That is equal to root 6 into root 30. To all the terms we have to multiply by root 30. Root 6 into root 30, that is square root of 6 3s are 18, 180, plus square root of 5 3s are 15, that is 150, plus square root of 11 3s are 33, that is 330 it will come, divided by 2 root 30 into root 30, that is 2 into root 30 into root 30, it will become 30. That is equal to square root of 180. We have to factorize it. That is equal to square root of 180. We will factorize it. 180 divided by 2, 90 divided by 2, 45 divided by 5, divided by 3 we can cancel. 3 ones are 3. Remainder 5, then again divided by 3, 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Then into, plus root 150, square root of 150, factorize it. 150 divided by 2. 7 2s are 14, 1, 5 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 5 divided by 5, 5. 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 plus square root of 330. 330 we can divide it by 3, 1, 1, 0 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10 divided by 5, 11. Then 3 into 2 into 5 into 11 divided by 2 into 30, that is 60. 2 into 30 is equal to 60. Then that is equal to, from inside the square root, if two factors are same, then we can take out that 2 into 3 into 5 we cannot take out, that we will write as it is root 5 plus here 5 we can take outside, 5 into square root of 2 3s are 6, or 2 into 3 we can take, plus from here we cannot take out anything, that is all the factors are different factors only, so that we will write as it is 330. We cannot take out anything, then divided by 60, that is equal to 2 3s are 6 into root 5, 6 root 5 plus 5 root 6, 2 3s are 6 plus square root of 330 divided by 60. That is the answer. Now denominator become a rational number. So this is the end of exercise 1.5. Next portion we will study in the next video. Thank you so much.